Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to find, clean, or replace the fine filter assembly for this GE dishwasher. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The fine filter assembly on your GE dishwasher is comprised of the fine filter and inner basket filter. These filters help trap food and debris and prevent them from entering the pump and recirculating onto your dishes. GE recommends removing and cleaning the filter every other month, or more often if you notice gritty dishes, odors, or reduced washing performance. You may need to replace the filter if it is cracked, torn, warped, or has heavy buildup that won't wash away. Persistent odors, corrosion, or a loose fit are also signs that it's time for a new one. Keeping your filter clean and replacing it when needed will help your dishwasher run more efficiently and effectively. If you need to purchase a replacement fine filter and basket assembly for your GE dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. There are no tools needed for this repair. To remove the fine filter, first open the door of the dishwasher all the way, slide the lower dish rack out, and remove it. Locate the filter system on the bottom of the dishwasher tub. The filtering system on this model is made up of a large coarse filter and a smaller circular fine filter. To access the filters for replacement and cleaning, turn the top of the fine filter counterclockwise to unlock it from the base of the dishwasher. You can now lift out the fine filter assembly from the appliance. To remove the inner basket from the fine filter, turn the inner basket counterclockwise and it will click and release. While you have the fine filter out, now is a great time to remove the coarse filter and clean it. GE recommends removing both the fine and coarse filters for cleaning at least every other month or more frequently under heavy use. To clean the filters, run them under warm water. Use soap and a soft sponge for stubborn caked-on residue. If you need to purchase a new fine filter and basket assembly, make sure that you don't get cheap knockoff aftermarket parts. You can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We only sell manufacturer-approved genuine parts. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search for the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. To install the fine filter and basket assembly, be sure that the inner basket is inserted and locked in the fine filter. Turn the inner basket clockwise until it locks into place. Be sure the coarse filter is cleaned, properly installed on the sump, and install the fine filter assembly. Rotate the fine filter clockwise until it clicks into place. The coarse and fine filters should create a smooth surface. If the fine filter sticks up, it is not properly installed. If the filters are not installed correctly, debris can be pulled into the pump and damage or shorten the lifespan of your dishwasher and components. Reinstall the bottom dish rack, slide it into place, and close the dishwasher. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. And that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin the Parts Doctor. Until next time, don't forget to check your filters, and we'll see you later.